What's going on, everybody? Here's another 10-minute cardio. No equipment is required. Help you burn those calories, help you burn that fat. Do what you can, modify if you need to. Right here, jump rope. Modify if you need to. Low impact is right here with no jumping required. Swing those arms though. Nice and easy. We just want to get the blood flowing, get the heart rate going, get the body nice and warmed up. Again, we got a 10-minute cardio. No breaks. You go all the way. Do what you can. If you do need a little break, little water break, that's okay. You take it and then you join right back in with the workout. No worries. It's all about doing what you can. Pushing yourselves, challenging yourselves as much as you need to. Alright, reverse jumps, backwards jump rope. Good. Great job today. Keep it going. Just getting started here. Again, get the heart rate going, get the breathing going. Always breathe in, never hold that breath. Next up, we got some front kicks here. Hands all the way up, kick forward. Swing. Those arms down. Working balance, back is nice and tall. Core's working. Shoulders working, legs are working. The faster you go, the more you're working. Any of these cardio moves, you can always pick up the speed. If you need a little bit extra, you need a little more push, you pick it on up. Good. Kick those feet forward. Imagine there's a door right in front of you. You're trying to kick that door down. Extend that leg all the way out. Swing those arms. Exhale in the breath as you kick out. Good job, everybody. Then we got 1 minute each interval here. You do what you can. No worries. This is your workout in the end. All about pushing yourselves. Doing what you can do. Alright, right here, give me some double jabs each side. That means 2 punches each jab. Exhale the breath as you punch out. I'm rocking side to side, working some balance. Good. Good job, everybody. Great job. Punch like you mean it. Palms down, hands out. Extend the arm all the way out. But not too much that you're leaning it forward. We want to keep that chest nice and tall. Keep the back tall. Good. Good job. Great work. Keep going. Can you punch out a little bit faster? Again, double jabs. Good. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Getting into some double jab, double twisted jabs next. Both feet planted right here, side to side. Keep it breathing. Keep it working. A lot of shoulder work here. You got this. Side to side, wall to wall. Working some obliques. Side abs with this twisting motion. As your feet stay planted to the ground. Great job. Keep going. Exhale in every punch, okay? Remember that. Exertion of the exercise, the hardest part of the exercise, that's when you breathe out. Good. Side to side. Almost there. Next interval coming up next soon. Sweat starting to go. Breathing is going. Pushing. Are you working? Alright, we're going to front kicks. 2 side kicks. Working balance. Get those feet up. Get those legs out. Open up those hips as you kick to the side. Working balance. Alright, take your time. If you need to slow down the move to work balance a little bit better, go for it. Remember, when you get that form down, you're picking up speed. You're working. Excellent job. You got this. Kick as high up as you can. No worries. If you can only get up a little bit, that's alright. Do what you can. As any of my workouts, any of my videos, you're just doing what you can. I want you to challenge yourselves here. Push your bodies. We're all at different fitness levels, okay? And that's what fitness is all about. You're starting at one level, you go as much as you can, then to the next. We're going into some high knees jump rope here. Picking up those knees higher than we did in the warm-up. Back is nice and tall. Swinging those arms. Good. Again, whatever level you're at, you're always trying to go a little bit beyond that every single time. That's why the workout videos are good for you to try multiple times. Because you know the moves. Every time you do it, you know the moves better. So you push yourselves harder. Alright? Good. High knees, get those knees up, swing those arms, big circles. Getting that jump rope around the whole body. We don't want small circles, we want big giant circles. The more we're moving, the more we're working. Burning those calories. Nice job. Keep it going, jumping jacks. Low impact jumping jack is here. 1 foot at a time. This is you. This could be you, or this is you. Or you pick it up even faster. Okay? Cardio is always about you. Doing what you can, working the speed you're comfortable with. Or maybe taking it beyond the speed that you're comfortable with. Taking you outside that box. Good. Great job. How are you doing? Keep going. Keep working. Hands all the way up, all the way down. Exhale the breath as you bring those hands up. Toes down, heels off the ground. Light on the feet. Excellent work. Nice job. Hands up. You're gonna give me one squat. Knee, knee, squat. Knee, knee, squat. Feet shoulder width apart. Knees are bending forward. Back is nice and tall. Get that knee to elbow. Both feet down when we hit that squat. Heels down as you come on up. Elbow to knee. Good. Reach the bottom back. Remember, imaginary chair right behind you. You aim with your hips to sit in that chair. Watch the knees. Make sure they're not going too far past those toes. If they are, you need to put more weight in the behind you. Okay? More weight in the hips, in the glutes. Actually sit it back. Alright, we're going into a switch kick. Left foot forward, opposite hand forward, and you switch. Right here. Switching side to side, or foot to foot, I guess. As you move. One hand forward. Again, you can modify if you need to. Low impact, you can just be here. You can mark it out, okay? This could be you. Low impact. Higher impact, adding a little hop in between. Good. Nice job, everybody. Swing those arms for me, okay? Switch those feet. Mid-air. Hopping in between each stance. Alright, right into some mummy kicks. Hands out. Kick those feet out. Hands right up in line with the shoulders. In line with the chest. Tapping those feet right out in front. Low impact here, just slow it down. Again, tapping in front of you. Or a higher impact. Good. Great job. You got this. Keep it working. Final 30 seconds. Stay strong. All the way till the end. Hands out, hands out. Don't let them drop. Nice job, everybody. How are we feeling? Are we working hard? got this, okay? Remember that confidence. You got it. I know you do. I know you're working. I know you're pushing. And relax. Check out the arms, check out the legs. How we do? Breathing, sweating, grab some water, wipe some sweat with a towel or whatever you need to. Nice good shoulder roll. We're gonna start cooling down the body here, slowing it down, getting into our stretches. Hands out over the chest. Catch the breath, all right? Nice, easy breathing. Nice, deep breaths. All right, bring it on down. Shake out the right leg. Shake out the left. Right foot's coming up. Hold the balance. Both knees together. Bent knee points to the ground. Extend the leg down. Point the knee towards the ground a little bit more. Pulling that foot a little bit tighter. Hold the balance. Hold an object, whatever it is. Switch sides. Other foot's coming up. Hold the balance. Hold the object. Hold the wall, table, chair. But make sure you're feeling it right there in the front of that left leg, left quad. Both feet down. One knee coming up. Pull it in. Back straightens out. Knee up towards the chest. Hold the balance. Feel this stretch right in the back of the leg. Other side. Nice work today, everybody. Again, if you need a little bit more cool down, check out my core and stretch videos. Nice and easy. No equipment is required for those as well. Alright, one arm across. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon if you want to stay up to date with all the videos that I post. If you like this video, go ahead and give me that thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below how this workout was for you. Alright, reach those hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bend those knees all the way down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, all the way back up. Side bend. Other side. Right back at center. Bring down those hands. Give me 2 good breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And give yourselves a hand. Great job again, everybody. Thank you for joining me for this 10-minute workout. Remember, check out the rest of my workout videos. I got other cardio workouts, core and stretch, boot camp style workouts, indoor cycling workouts, whatever it is. Go ahead and try them out. Until next time, remember, stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you in another workout.